We're inside a facility processing 1 million pounds today.
Forget everything you know about factory-made food.
See the lasers that can spot a rotten core in milliseconds.
Why is factory mash silkier than yours? It's pure science.
A 3-second explosion that peels potatoes instantly.
No human hands, no mistakes, just automated perfection.
£1 million every single day. Let's dive in. Is there a secret? We're chemical? We're finding out today.
The journey starts in the mud, but ends as liquid gold.
800 seconds to witness the ultimate potato transformation.
These hills of Roussettes are worth millions of dollars.
The industrial bath. 2,000 gallons of water per minute. Hidden dangers. Magnets remove metal before cooking. Size matters. Small ones are sent to the flake department. This machine scans 1,000 potatoes every single second. High-speed air jets reject defects at 80 miles per hour. Only the elite potatoes move to the next violent stage. Density test. The best potatoes sink, the weak ones float. Starch is the key. Too much moisture, and the mash fails. Now, things get intense in the steam chamber. Meet the steam peeler, an industrial pressure cooker. The explosive peel. Faster than any human hand.
Waste? Never. Skins become high-energy cattle feed.
Humans are the final guardians. Nothing bad passes.
Precision dicing. 1-inch cubes for perfectly even cooking.
Blanching removes excess surface starch instantly.
Less starch means a fluffy texture, not a sticky mess.
A vitamin C wash keeps the potatoes from turning brown.
This isn't a chemical, it's nature's own antioxidant.
Step 4. Entering the massive heat zone.
Steaming preserves nutrients that boiling usually kills.
1 degree off, and the entire 2,000-pound batch is ruined.
Looks like pasta, but this is the lightest potato base.
Heavy cream is injected for that signature velvet feel.
Forget oil. This factory uses 100% real dairy butter.
Slow mixing is key. Over mixing creates a glue texture.
Seasoning is controlled by AI for identical taste. The mixture stays at 165 degrees to remain safe.
Science of taste. If fat is off by 1%, it's rejected.
Even acidity is measured for a natural shelf life.
600 trays a minute. The speed of modern hunger.
The swirl helps the potatoes heat evenly in microwaves.
Vacuum sealing locks in freshness without any chemicals.
The spiral chiller, cooling from 160 to 40 degrees. Every tray is X-rayed. Even micrometal is caught. Robots take over. The heavy lifting never stops here.
Ready for the journey to your grocery store.
But what about the flavors? Meet the garlic batch.
Roasted garlic is added at the final mixing stage.
Fresh chives and parsley for the loaded version.
Crispy bacon bits, 5,000 pounds processed per hour.
From garlic to loaded, automation handles it all.
Heating at home is the final part of the process. Perfectly consistent, thanks to 50 million in tech.
The digital twin of the factory tracks every potato.
Hygiene is king. Everything is sterilized daily.
This is how we make instant potato flakes.
Remember the rejects? They have a second life.
The mash is flattened until it's thinner than paper. 250-degree vats evaporate every drop of water.
It looks like parchment, but it's 100% potato.
Crisp and dry. This stays fresh for 2 years.
The sheets are crushed into the flakes you see in boxes.
These are shipped globally for the snack industry.
Just add water and the science brings it back to life. Ooh, Blanching. The taste is similar, but the tech is worlds apart.
Potato flakes power the global snack industry.
Bright white or golden? The customer decides.
The cellular structure remains intact, ready for water. Convenience at its peak, engineered in this room. From a raw field to a dry box in under 4 hours. Sustainability. 90% of the water is filtered and reused. The factory runs on 40% renewable energy.
Watch your step with that one. Got it. Where should this pallet go?
Over here by the squash.
Every night, the potato world resets itself.
Deep cleaning. Robots sterilize every inch of the floor.
Food safety isn't a goal, it's the absolute law here.
A dedicated army ensures the machines never fail.
100-degree steam ensures no bacteria survives the night.
Tracking every tray from the vats to your table.
The perfect grain of salt for the perfect flavor profile.
The moment of truth. Steam, fluff, and perfection.
Industrial art you can eat. That's the modern factory.
Liquid cheddar mixed at 5,000 pounds per hour.
Micro-diced herbs for that gourmet homemade look.
The cycle of 1 million pounds is finally complete.
1 million pounds. One massive achievement.
Is it better than homemade? You tell us.
Convenience, taste, and the power of automation.
The potatoes never sleep, and neither does innovation. This was the journey of the world's favorite side dish.
What factory do you want to see inside next?
Subscribe for more extreme food engineering. See you in the next factory. Stay curious.